In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Bluetooth headphones to PlayStation 5 with Dongle. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to set up and use your set of headphones over Bluetooth connected to a PlayStation 5. As of today, for whatever reason, the PlayStation 5 does not support Bluetooth accessories related to audio, so you cannot simply connect a set of headphones, a set of Bluetooth AirPods, whatever you have, and use them natively. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to use a dongle or an adapter to get this connection done. So you will have to purchase a Bluetooth adapter for the PlayStation 5. These dongles or adapters allow you to pair your Bluetooth headphones to them and consequently listen to all of the audio being output on the PlayStation 5 over Bluetooth. So what you have to do is look for a Bluetooth adapter for your PlayStation 5. I chose this one from Ugreen, however, any model will do, even from other brands. Look for a product with a high amount of reviews and compatible for the PlayStation 5. Now, all that you have to do is plug it into any of the available ports on your console. So if you have a USB-C one, plug it here. If you have a USB-A one, you will also be able to use it without any issues. Once it is plugged in, you will have to pair the set of headphones to the actual dongle. To do this, you will press the physical button on the dongle and this will enable pairing mode on it. Now, you do the same for your set of headphones. So usually by powering on your headphones, they should go into pairing mode automatically, but if they don't, look for a dedicated Bluetooth button or check the manual to see if you have to do a combination of buttons. Sadly, I cannot give you instructions for every single brand and model of headphones out there. So once you have pairing mode enabled on both the headphones and the actual dongle or adapter that you are using, they will be connected together automatically. So you don't have to do anything else. Just make sure that they are in close proximity and they should locate each other. With this done, you can go into the settings of your PlayStation 5, go into the sound category, audio output, and under output device, you will be able to find the set of headphones that you connected here. And they will be usable directly on your PlayStation 5. If you don't want to use an adapter or a dongle, then you can try connecting them to your TV over Bluetooth and it should achieve the same result. But if you want to connect them directly to the PlayStation 5, then you need to use an adapter like this one. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Bluetooth headphones to the PlayStation 5 with dongle. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.